Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I've got another little unboxing video here for a little head torch. It's the XRG headlight, XRG 200. I picked it up for about $20 and it's supposed to be pretty good. It's the specs on the side there. The other side comes with a battery, recharger, car charger, and a little bit more info on the side. 1000 lumens, aluminium, water resistant. We'll see how good it goes, because for the price, it is Chinese made, which is pretty much what everything is. But it's supposed to be quite good, so we'll crack it open, see how it looks, and down the track I'll do a little light test. Just have to find a nice dark place. Okay, so we have batteries. Look pretty cheap. Pretty light actually. Okay, what else is in here? Wall charger. Car charger. Okay, the instruction manual at the bottom of the box. And the actual headlamp. So, quality feels pretty good so far. It's got a good bit of weight to it. It's the lens. Quite a solid looking rig. Not really any information on it. This little sticker. That'll come off straight away. Okay, so that's it. We'll put it together and give it a light test down the track in another video, and we'll see how 1000 lumen goes for a $20 headlamp. Anyway, that'll wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.